Hi ladies and gentlemen. In our first tutorial about the free MultiSearch tool, we talked about how you might want to find information from an Excel spreadsheet in Act. So in that case, we talked about finding all these company names. But when you install the MultiSearch tool, and again, this is a free tool from Keystroke, it's not always really clear on how to work with it. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to go look up, and I'm going to go down to MultiSearch. And this box pops up, and when you click through it a little bit, there's really nothing here. And I remember when I first started using this, I was like, okay, what do we do next? So in this point, I want to look up company names. So I've got a lot of company names in that Excel spreadsheet. So I need to set up a company field. So I'm going to click on Manage. The first thing I'm going to do is click on Add New. I'm going to type in company, and that will be for the company name. Next, in the type, I'm going to click on the drop down, and in Act, we have contact information, we have company information, group information, and opportunity. Now, if you're new to Act, the company isn't what you might be thinking of as the company name, but we're looking at what's called the contact table, where all the contact information is. The other ones are different sections of Act, the company area, the group area, and the opportunities area. But I want just the contact area. So most of what I think you're going to look up will be in the contact area. And I'm going to click OK. The minute I do that, all these fields pop up down here. These are the fields from Act. And I'm just going to scroll down to where it says company. And I'm going to shoot that over here, and then I'm going to click OK. So now, after setting up the company, it comes back here, and it's not 100% clear what to do next. But what I'm going to do is click on this, click on the drop down for company. I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to grab all these company names. So I clicked on the first one, I dragged down, and now I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut to copy this information. I'm going to go Control and then the letter C for copy. You'll see it put dancing ants around there. I'm going to go back to Act. I'm going to paste in all of those company names. I right-clicked and I chose Paste. I pasted them all in. I'm going to click OK. It's going to go through Act, and it's going to find all the corresponding companies. So I did that by going Look Up, using the company tool that I built into the MultiSearch, and I found all the companies. You can do it for the contact. You can do it for virtually any field, phone numbers, anything. So as long as the information exactly matches what you have in Act in the Excel spreadsheet, you're going to be able to do that lookup. In the next tutorial, we'll talk a little bit more about some of the other options, some of the ways you can set up other fields that I would commonly use, and they might be things like the phone number or the email address. Email address is a big one I use as well. So again, a lot of times I find that information coming from an outside resource like Excel is a way that I can work with this to make lookups and finding information in Act just that much easier. The best part of all of this, it's free. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.